ke skulbah Northeastern Hill University minta ke sengi kelashim ya karai ban pynlong common university entrance test na ke bynta ki undergraduate programs jung central universities. Ya kani karai lashim ha ke jingya lang baladon lang u vice chancellor ka NEHU u menteri katanan kathok kapuli u ba la kemen rimboy bat ki principal bapher jung ki college. Ya kani ka jingya lang la pynlong ha multi convention hall jong ka NEHU. Habaya keran niklat pathai kubor hikat tu kani ki principal kila ong bakim senguhun ye kata ka jing shimrai jo ka NEHU nambar bah kani ka jing yalam shem lala ban batai penya kumno ban pynlong ye kani ka common university entrance test.
Tests have a different component, and one of the English, then language, then based on the text, and also the general test if the student opt. Depend upon which course which subject they want to pursue in their graduation. But yes, the test will be based at least for the thing in the NCERT textbook. So, but the student have learned because most of the curriculum is more or less same. But I hope that it will not be. It will be a big. In the mind of the student, there will be some problem, but I hope that they could overcome it. And seeing this trend, we also from the state government will see in the next 1 or 2 academic session how to go about it so that the student should be competitive. As we have seen that the Meghalaya Common is very proactive how to help the student.
Kung magalong mata, first preference ko lang di bapa sa CUT 2022, ibyo preference admission at undergraduate studies of colleges, affiliated colleges. Diba, kanika, kanigo, barang pa kanigo. Ikinikiway pat, kadang ka, kapangisuko, na magkapawan na kayo suko, kapangisuko, walang ba, kadang ka cut off marks, maybe 50 or 45 marks, ito di bang pasun pass. Mandatory
the students seeking admission into the university, CUET is compulsory, and this is not coming from Northeastern University. It is the order or notice from UGC, which is the authorizing body which is looking after the higher education system, and collectively the state Education Department and Northeastern Hill University has decided to go ahead with CET and to sensitize the colleges, the students and the higher secondary schools, teachers, principals and students about what CET is all about.